Hello, my name is Thomas Pearson. This is my 5th year in World Drone Cup in Turkey, in Istanbul. I'm part of their family now. I hope this year is the year I get in the finals, compete for the podiums. This year the track looks really fast, complicated, a lot of metal gates. It's gonna be probably a smash festival here. My motivation to race, as people ask me, is just adrenaline, you know, and I'm really happy attending this event. Huge shout out for STM. Thank you for organizing this event, and hope to see STM also next year.
Hi, I'm Dennis Hochmann. I'm from Germany, Frankfurt. I fly here for the country Israel. This is my 5th year. Every year it's something special. It's the biggest event in drone racing that I fly every year, and I'm training the whole year for this weekend and really happy that I could join it. Thank you STM for the race.
Hi, I'm David from Czech Republic. So this is my 5th time here in Turkey, and usually this is like highlight of my racing year. So my motivation to join this race in Turkey is usually that there is a really high level of pilots here. It's usually the fastest pilot from each country, and it's really nice to meet the people here all the years together. It was really a pleasure to join all the years in Turkey. So since first year I really loved the country and the race here, because the organization is really professional and the level of pilots is high. So this year it looks like it will be another great race. It's really a pleasure for me to join the Turkey race once more. So thank you STM for making this for us.
Ben Atakan Mercimek, 17 yaşındayım. 5 yıldır drone yarışlarına katılıyorum. Bu sene de WDC 2023'e tekrar geldim. 5 yıldır sıkı bir şekilde antrenman yapıyorum. Antrenmandan devam ettiriyorum. Sürekli motivasyonumu kaybetmeden. Hedefim birinci olmak her zaman. Elimden gelenin en iyisini yapmaya çalışıyorum. 2020, 2021, 2022 Türkiye şampiyonuyum aynı zamanda. Bu sene gelen herkes çok iddialı ve çok antrenman yaparak geldiler ve dronelarda artık bazı teknolojiler değişti, görüntü sistemleri vesaire. Bu sene drone pisti biraz daha farklı ve zorlayıcı oldu. STM'ye de teşekkür ederim.
Hey, my name is Anthony. I'm from Bulgaria and I've been attending WDC since 2018. This is my 5th time here and I enjoy the race very much. Every year the organization is great. The competition is really tough. It's the hardest race of the season, biggest event on the planet. Pilots coming over from all over the world. I'm extremely motivated to place better every year, and I've been moving up the ranks. So yeah, I'm having big hopes for this year. This is a huge track, very challenging, and thank you to STM, the sponsors, for building it, for taking care of us, and also taking care of all the pilots.